Saides and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the 65 watt Realme dot charger and the OnePlus wrap charger test in this IQ7 device. As you can see friends, so it's an IQ7 smartphone. The IQ7 supports the 66 watt flash charge technology, but this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to test the Realme 65 watt dot charger, whether it will be supported in the IQ7 device or not. As you can see friends, and even it did have the OnePlus 8T as well. So I thought of including even the OnePlus 65 watt charger in this video just for the demonstration purpose. So I'll try to use one of the application to test the speed rate, how much speed it's charging. So in this way we will be able to know to actually test this theory is working or not. So I did bring the 66 watt flash charge, as you can see friends. So first I'll try to charge the phone using this one, and I'll try to show you the speeds what it's getting highest speed. So then I'll try to use one by one, so which is from the Realme, which is a super dot charger. As you can see, super dot. So it is a OnePlus 8T's wrap charge 65, as you can see friends. So this can be also equal to the OnePlus 9R's charger as well, because both are having the same kind of technology, wrap charge 65. So let's see which adapter will be having the faster supporting in this IQ7 device. So first I'm trying to close the lock screen, because if the phone supports the 65 watt fast charger and 66 watt fast charger, it will be able to display immediately here. So right now I connected the 66 watt charger directly, which is a OnePlus. So just to show you, as you can see right now it's charging, and let's see the speed. It went up to directly 6150 milliamperes, as you can see friends, the speed. So which you can take a look at here. So it's going still upside, so 6200. So we'll take the 6200 as a maximum speed which the phone got recorded. Even you can see on the top as well the flash charge which is coming here. So this by using the 66 watt fast charger. So now we got a clear idea friends, using 66 watts this is what the speed will be there. So now let's test using the Realme's super dot charger, which is a 65 watt Realme dot charger from the Realme X7 Pro. Just to show you that this cable belongs to the 65 watt Realme dot charger, I did connect to the Realme X7 Pro first, just to show you friends, because in the Realme X7 Pro it will try to detect super dot charger. As you can see, it detected the super dot charger. So this cable and the charger belongs to the 65 watt dot charger. So let me to disconnect the cable, and same cable, yellow color cable, which is Realme 65 watt dot charger, I'm trying to connect right now to the IQ7 device. So let's see whether it will detect fast flash charge or not. So it's not detecting any kind of flash charge at this point. As you can clearly see here friends, it's showing just charging. Right now it's not showing anything. There's a symbol saying only charging. So let's see the speed, how much speed it's charging. As you can see friends, the speed went only up to 487 milliamperes. So it did not go higher than that. So maybe let's give some time. So usually the speed will get the maximum speed after maybe 1 minute of time. So that is the reason every time I do this kind of testing, I'll try to give the 1 minute of time exactly. So just to test the maximum charging output, how much I can get. So one more thing is that don't try to use a different cables and different chargers every time for this flash charge mobile phones. Mainly friends, this may damage for long time usage. So don't ever try to do this kind of thing unless they are compatible with each other. For example, in the Realme case, the OnePlus and the Realme cables and adapters are compatible with each other, so no problem in that. But in this case it's not compatible, so don't try to charge the phone using this kind of different chargers and cables for long time. So I think I did give some time for this mobile phone to detect till now. So let's see, let's give some more time. I think this should be enough time to detect. So right now it went up to, it's going still. So as I said, sometime it will take a little bit kind of time to get that kind of maximum speed. So after 1 minute and 25 seconds, then it went up to 870 milliamperes, but not much, because by using the default charger we did see about 6200 milliamperes. If you remember, that is a default charger, but right now it's not increasing more than 1000 milliamperes friends. So unfortunately the 65 watt dot charger from the Realme X7 Pro or other smartphones, so it will not support the IQ7 mobile phone. So definitely it will not support. The phone will be able to charge, but really slow charge. Let me need to show you again. As you can see, it crossed just now 1015. As you can see friends, not much, so 1015 only. Let me try to disconnect the cable, and I am trying to show you in this Realme X7 Pro how much charge will be getting in this phone at this point. Let me try to show you the same application I am trying to use. So how much can be found in the Realme X7 Pro, so that is what I am trying to compare. As you can see friends, right now we are getting in the Realme X7 Pro 1745. So the reason is maybe because of the right now the battery percentage is 81%, so that's why it's showing kind of less speed. But if you charge the phone in the beginning, maybe 10% or 15%, you will see the spike around 5000 milliamperes in this Realme X7 Pro. So that's the difference. So overall friends, the IQ7 phone doesn't support the Realme 65 watt dot charger. Next test is to see this kind of 65 watt wrap charge from the OnePlus 80 phone. So this belongs to the OnePlus 80 phone, but definitely this can be also applicable for the OnePlus 9R as well, because both are having same kind of technology. Let me try to use this charger. And just to prove this cable belongs to the OnePlus 65 watt fast charger, so that is why I'm trying to connect to the OnePlus device. As you can see, it detected the wrap charge 65 watts, as you can clearly see friends. So we got to know this cable belongs to the 65 watt fast charger. So let me try to connect immediately to this IQ7 device. So here's the IQ7. I'm trying to connect right now to see what will happen. So first let's see the lock screen. I forgot to show you the lock screen, what it will try to detect. And right now it's detecting only charging. As you can see, there's no flash charge symbol, nothing around. So when you're trying to use this kind of method, you can clearly see friends. So nothing is displayed, and let me try to unlock the phone to show you the speeds. So what it recorded. So right now same thing has happened with this phone as well. So with this charger, so same 400 milliamperes it's trying to record right now. So even with the OnePlus 65 watt wrap charger, it won't be supported in the IQ7 device. So definitely friends, it will not be supported. So maybe Vivo's 33 watt charger, which has been present in mid-range segment mobile phones and other smartphones, maybe that can be supported because of the Vivo and Vivo. So maybe you might get that kind of speeds, but right now using this Realme dot charge and the OnePlus wrap charge, both are not supported. I'm trying to give some time to detect the maximum charging speed in this phone. And in case if you have any other queries regarding the smartphone, so don't hesitate to comment below. So definitely friends, I'll try to make the video as soon as possible. So definitely I'm trying to take the screenshot of every comment I get, and I'll try to make a video as soon as possible. So let's see what will be the result finally is. And the final result, even after 1 minute, it's not increasing much, still 526 milliamperes. At least the Realme dot charge was slightly better, so where I did see up to 1000 milliamperes, but right now using OnePlus wrap charge, so no improvement at all. So thank you friends for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison using the two different charger type technologies. So even though the close to 65 watt fast charger, but it's not supported in the IQ7 smartphone. So thank you for watching, and for more interesting videos, make sure to hit that subscribe, and definitely in case if this content helps you, don't forget to like this video friends. This will be really motivating for me. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.